There may not be any problem in the beginning, but snoring during sleep can cause problems in marital life. The person who snores may not realize it, but people around them can become annoyed. This can lead to extreme discomfort. While hearing the sound of snoring may seem common, this symptom may also indicate other health issues. Generally, when the flow of air through the mouth or nose is obstructed during breathing, this type of sound is heard. Snoring is not only inconvenient for others, but if it persists for a long time, it can also lead to sleep apnea. However, this problem can be alleviated by developing regular healthy habits rather than relying on medication. Dhanurasana, bow pose. Lie on your stomach with your legs hip-width apart. Bend your knees and bring your heels as close to your buttocks as possible. Reach back with both hands and grab your ankles firmly. Try to bring your feet as close to your head as possible. In this position, your chest, hips, and thighs will lift off the ground. Keep your lower abdomen and stomach on the floor and lift your head up. Hold this pose for 20 to 30 seconds while breathing normally. Then release the pose and relax. You can repeat this pose 3 times. Bhujangasana, Cobra Pose. Lie down on your stomach with your chin on the ground. Keep your hands at the sides of your chest, with your palms on the ground. Slowly lift your upper body up, keeping your hands in the same position. Arch your back and look upward. Hold this pose for 20 to 30 seconds while breathing normally. Then slowly lower your body back down to the starting position. Repeat this pose 3 times. You can also do this pose 5 to 6 times in future sessions. Bhramari, bee breath. During this breathing exercise, the sound of buzzing is made, which is why it's named Bhramari. Place your index fingers on both ears. Inhale slowly and deeply through the nose, and while exhaling, make a deep humming sound from the throat. This time, keep your mouth closed and your throat open. This exercise helps to reduce mental stress, fatigue, and soothe the nerves. Practicing these asanas regularly can help reduce stress and calm your nervous system, which may alleviate the need to constantly sniffle. It is recommended to consult a physician for advice on developing healthy habits.